Hey, what's up, Bertrand Tech Man, coming back at you with another video. Our tech buddies posed a question to me. They said, what? Now we know you love the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and you always your fan man of it and all of that stuff, but tell me truthfully, what accessories do you use on a consistent basis and you get the most value from? So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 accessories that I use the most and I get the best value from. Let's check it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is the Samsung fast charging wall charger. Now this thing is designed specifically for Samsung devices. It charges up to 25 watts. It has a safety overload circuitry on it. So when it gets up to about 70%, it slows down the charge to prevent from overcharging your battery, thus damaging it. Now it's well built. Of course, it's made by Samsung, and you can get this on Amazon for about $14. So if you want quick, super fast charge for your phone, this is the device that I use. And to go along with that super fast charger, I use this WOTOBEUS 6-foot cable. Now what makes this cable unique is it can use up to 100 watt output. It has a braided as far as the material is concerned, and on the ends they're very tight and very secure and seems to be very durable. Now what makes this unique is the fact that you can also monitor your charge because it has an LED light indicator on it, digital indicator. It's long enough that when you're in the airport you can use it from roughly 6 feet away. So I use this along with my Samsung charger. The next thing that I use is this CHAFON 5-in-1 multiple charging cable. Now what makes this unique is the fact that you can charge just about any type of unit with this thing because it's a 5-in-1. First of all, you have your USB type A charging port. Pull that out, it turns into a USB type C charging port, and then on the other end you have your lightning bolt or micro USB type charging port and an additional USB type C charging port. Now this thing is very handy because I have 3 different devices and I have tablets and computers as well. So with this I can connect it to just about anything that I want to connect it to. Now this goes on Amazon for about $19. I do a lot of video recording and I also do a lot of photographs. So I need a way to take my space off. So I use this SanDisk 1 terabyte extreme portable disk. Now it's fast, it is very durable, it's very portable, and you can easily take your information off of your phone and put it onto this. Now you can get this also on Amazon for about $140. Again, a link will be in the description below. And the 5th thing, because I am on Zoom a lot and sometimes I'm in bad situations where my lighting might not be good enough for a proper Zoom call, I use this QIAYA Selfie ring light. Now this thing is very portable and it's very bright. It has 3 different settings on it. You have bright, brighter, and brightest, and it will certainly illuminate just about any situation that you're in, especially when you're on Zoom calls. Now it's very portable. You just clip it onto your phone, your tablet, or your PC, and then you can adjust your lighting with it. It also has a recharging mechanism. It uses a USB type C cable and a 5 watt charging cable to recharge. So with my Galaxy Z Fold 3, those are the 5 things that I use more frequently. Now, if you found value in this video, help a tech brother out. Give me a like, hit that doggone subscribe button, share, and comment. In the comment section, let me know, how many subscribers do you see at the time of you watching this video? Just put that number in the comment section for me, please, and that will help me out. I'm Bertrand Tech Man. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Now, if you like this video about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 accessories, you might like this one up here or that one over there.